so far, how's the operation been going on?
Has been directed by the Inspector General of Police, and then the Commissioner of Police, coupled with the Directive of His Excellency Professor Babagana Marasulu, about the watertight security for the state, especially in Maiduguri here. At least we can be able to see it that yes, we are still on duty to ensure Maiduguri is safe for everybody, most especially for this Eid-free Sallah. We are here to ensure we give protection to the people and ensure there is no any breakdown of law and order. We are still on course, we are duty with other security agencies, so we are on for the security.
For how long this patrol has been going on?
This patrol has been on for past 1 month plus, almost 6 weeks now. We have started, and then a tremendous achievement has been made, which is going to be reviewed by the chairman of the committee.
Arrests, can you tell the number of arrests you guys have made since 6 weeks?
Meanwhile,